All right, everybody. Hobby Hounds, Monday, March 10th. It's 8:33. We're getting a late start on the 2010 Triple Threads. We kind of got mixed up by the time change, so I always like to end my auctions and then have the break real quick after. So when that hour went forward on us, it made it to where the last few auctions were ending when we were supposed to be breaking. So just gave it a little bit of a break. We got 3 boxes of 2010 Triple Threads going tonight. I'm placing a big order tomorrow, so Wednesday I'll have some more stuff, and we can do some more randoms if you guys are interested. I wonder if it's just you and me tonight, Batista. Let's get these cracked. It's a little later than usual. Sometimes I get a little thrown off on my timing. Other things come up. I want to start. I was going to say, I want to start having most of my auctions end at like between 5 and 6 my time, and then, break right around 10 o'clock your time. And then, you guys who are, I don't know, I'm sure that once I do finally have a family of my own, I'm going to enjoy my late night quiet time. So usually works out that way. I was excited too. I was hoping that there would be some people out there wanting to do some absolute. I just saved them. I figured I'll just do randoms with those. Was going to put on an auction on eBay, but I really like to at least have my auctions on eBay coming from a fresh case. My other buyers who participate in the randoms, they usually have seen me open up the case, so they know I'm good for it. But I used to be one of those people that would question anything like that. That was a lot of cards we opened. I had so many empty packs and boxes. My recycling was filled to the brim. Let me grab some thick sleeves. All right. That one night, I'll be honest with you, when we did the first one, I realized to myself that I would have had the biggest headache trying to figure out which cards went from what and having to watch the feed over. So just going nice and slow and piling them out is the easiest way to do it. You know what I mean? I think it's more enjoyable for everyone out there too, not get rushed through. It's kind of a win-win situation for both of us, I guess you could say. All right. 2010 Triple Threads. First pack. I wonder if I have a bunch of emails asking me when the break is because of the little time schedule confliction. Let me see. I got 3 messages. Let me see. Sorry, buddy. Just wanted to answer this real quick now that I thought about it. Payments. Cool, we got all the payments in too. Alright, good. Looks like everyone's good to go. Oh yeah, I'm an idiot. There was teams that didn't sell. There's 4 teams that didn't sell. You want me to tell you who they are? I'll give you all 4 of them for $20. Ravens, Texans, Jags, and Chicago Bears. If you want them, Bautista, they're all yours, my friend. $20. All right, good deal. I trust you. You can get it in as we go or after. First up for the Cowboys, we got Felix Jones. That one's numbered out of 499. And next up for the Houston Texans, it's Andre Johnson. See, that one's numbered 18 out of 25. That one's going to you, right? I just said the Texans. 18 out of 25. I don't see those ones low numbered very often. And for the Chiefs, we got Thomas Jones. That one's numbered out of 1350. And for the New York Giants, we got Brandon Jacobs. That's also a base out of 1350. We got another Giant base coming up. We got Steve Smith out of 1350. Well, hey guys, we got a dual, dude, we got a triple auto. I'm sorry, couldn't get it out. But that's the second, it's a 1 of 1. This is the second 1 of 1 we pulled out of this case. Second one we pulled out of this case, guys. Holy smokes. 1 of 1. You know we're coming with the 1 of 1 every night. That's Golden Tate. Let me see if we can get that to come in. It's got, the teams involved are going to be the Cardinals, the St. Louis Rams with Marty Gilliard, I believe his name is, and Golden Tate for the Seattle Seahawks. 4 teams were Houston, Chicago, let me see. Houston, Chicago, Jacksonville, and Baltimore. Another 1 of 1, folks. Hobby Hounds. Triple auto. We will randomize that off at the end. I know our Seahawks buyer is getting excited out there to get a Golden Tate, possible Golden Tate 1 of 1 auto. It's one hell of a card. It's all in every single one of them is dual colored. So they didn't skimp you on that. Nice card. First pack. Starting out with the bang. Got the cards, Bautista. You're in it. Hell yeah. What a hit. Next up, for the Texans, you got Matt Schaub out of 499. That's awesome. We get a 1 of 1 Adrian Peterson white whale, and then they throw us a pigskin. Triple auto 1 of 1. That's epic. And for the Falcons, we got Matt Ryan out of 299. Man, I can't believe no one else is watching. Maybe they are without the, they haven't verified their name or all that good stuff. We got Peyton Manning for the Colts out of 1350. For the Bears, going to Bautista, we got Matt Forte out of 1350. And for the Eagles, we got Deshaun Jackson out of 1350. Well, it isn't Des Bryant, but it's Tony Romo, number 9 QB, 24 out of 36 for the Dallas Cowboys. Nice little card. Let's see if this case can get even more epic. And next up, for the Cowboys, we got another Tony Romo. This one's out of 499. Cowboys aren't going home empty-handed. And for the Niners, we got a Frank Gore. That one's out of 299. Thank you, sir. Appreciate the 20. I never have this kind of luck when I open. We got Flacco out of 1350. That's awesome. I was expecting for these auctions not to sell as good because people would think there was no chance at another one of one. And we got Percy Harvin out of 1350. I just get slaughtered when I open up packs. I don't like to do it very often anymore. And got Matt Schaub for the Houston Texans out of 1350. Next up, we got a hit for the Seahawks. Anthony McCoy, number 27 out of 70. Actually got a nice little auto. Nice little card. Mini box number 4. First up, for the Rams, we got Eric Dickerson. Next up, for the Cardinals, we got Larry Fitzgerald. It's out of 1350. We got Frank Gore again. This one's out of 1350. And we got Jay Cutler for the Bears out of 499. For the Vikes, we got Sidney Rice. This one's out of 299. And our hit going out to the Panthers, Brandon LaFell, eBay 1 of 1. Numbered 1 out of 70. I don't know if you can pick that up. There you go. Nice one for the Panthers. Do you have the Panthers, Bautista? Nice. I thought I saw you have them right at the end. All right. Mini box number 5. right, first up for the Chargers out of 499, we got Antonio Gates. And we got Cedric Benson out of 99 for the Cincinnati Bengals. Yeah. Fumbling over my words. For the Chargers, we got Vincent Jackson out of 1350. Makes my shipping easy. And for the Lions, we got Calvin Johnson, Megatron, out of 1350. We got Steven Jackson out of 1350. Oh man, this next card I'm interested in buying if it's for sale. Joe Cool for the San Francisco 49ers. 5 out of 18. God, I want that card. Nice card for the Niners. Can't go wrong with Joe. And our last pack for the night. After that, we got a 1-1 to random off, folks. Anyone else who's watching other than my buddy Batista here? He's hot, guys. I'd watch out. My money's on him if I'm rolling the dice. For the Dolphins, we got Ronnie Brown. That one's out of 499. I just like the fact that it says Joe Cool. I love it. For the Rams, we got Steven Jackson out of 299. Was that 2 in a row? That tripped me out. They do that to me sometimes. And for the Niners, we got Patrick Willis. That one's out of 1350. I keep grabbing the big sleeves. And for the Cowboys, we got Troy Aikman out of 1350. For the Bills, we got Thurman Thomas out of 1350. A last hit going out to the Rams. Steven Jackson. Vegas, baby. Let's see it. Come on, camera. I'm determined to make that come in. Let's see if we can. Trick my camera into working. Come on, come on. Well, it's fighting me. Last card doesn't want to come in. It's looking pretty nice. I'm not seeing anything wrong with it. Nice card for the Rams. It's not Sammy Bradford, but it's something. Oh, I'm sorry, Goldie. I wonder if anyone else will pop up that wants to do some random divisions of Absolute. Alright, we're randomizing off this monster. 1 of 1. Pigskin triple auto. I'm hoping someone else will pop into the chat room. Alright, let me get this randomizer set up for us, folks. Every night, a new one of one. Goldie, we'll get you one of these nights. The odds are in your favor. If we continue to pull them every night, as long as you participate, you got a chance. All right, let's see who bid on these teams. So we got Seattle, St. Louis, and Arizona. And you got the Cards, right? Is that what you said? Dun, 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 dun. Perfect. Okay, so I just need the other two. Uh-oh, my buddy David Garcia's in on another monster. All right. Write this down. Oh, I don't need to write it. Type it. Copy. Sometimes I forget to use these wonderful tools that these computers give us. Whoa. Did the Rams get their payment in? Hold on, let me see. I might be in on this. Oh, we got an e-check, man. I hate that. Man. See, it's like one of those situations where it's like I feel. I mean, my it's stated pretty clearly in my description. I didn't even realize that he paid with an e-check and it's pending. I mean, I'm sure he's going to be good for it if he gets his one of one, but that's not the point. Pigskin, Golden Tate, Marty Gilliard, I believe, and Andre Roberts. Yeah. So I'm just seeing if this guy's bought something from me in the past. It's about the only way that. Yeah, he's bought something before. I'll give him the benefit of the doubt this time. Raboul, you're in on it, buddy. Just next time, warn me if the payment's going to be pending, because it's just one of those things that just doesn't sit well with me. Raboul 727. All right. Good luck, buddy. Just wanted to make sure. I thought I'd seen that you had bid on something before, and so you're good to go. All right, I'm gonna put each name in the randomizer here. I'm gonna flip this camera around. Yeah, I appreciate that, Tim. That was awesome, man. I always love to get a little addition to my Niner collection. That makes me happy. No, it's a nice card, that's for sure. All right, guys. Randomize time. 1 of 1 pigskin triple auto on the line. Good luck, Bautista. You know the deal. I randomize it 5 times. Person on the top at the end, the lucky man or woman. Good luck. 2, 3, 4. Raboul. All right, buddy. Hope that payment goes through. You got a 101 coming your way. Sorry, Bautista. Not tonight, my good man. At least you were in on it. Dun, dun, dun. It doesn't look like there's anyone else out there that wants to do randoms tonight. Yeah, it is a nice card. If that payment doesn't go through, it'll be up on eBay. I'm sure it will. Congrats, Raboul. I'm going to stop the cast real quick.